President Bongbong Marcos wants law enforcers to keep a close watch on contractor Sarah Discaya and other people tagged in an infrastructure project in Davao Occidental.
The Office of the Ombudsman has filed criminal charges against this new batch of flood control suspects for taking state money and then having nothing to show for it.
And there's the much-used promise and phrase again, just the tip of the iceberg. The Marcos administration says there will be more arrests before Christmas. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza has tonight's big story.
President Bongbong Marcos' order is clear.
I have directed DILG and the PNP to ensure that they know the whereabouts of Discaya at nung iba pa para paglabas ng arrest warrant ay maaresto sila kaagad.
The upcoming arrest order is over a ghost flood control project in Davao Occidental, specifically located at Barangay Kulaman in the town of Jose Abad Santos. The contract for the structure, worth almost 100 million pesos, was awarded to Curly and Sarah Discaya's St. Timothy Construction back in January 13, 2022. The company declared the project finished on the same year. Fast forward to September 2025, Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon, former ICI Special Advisor Benjamin Magalong, and the CIDG conducted an inspection in the area. Their findings: not a single brick was laid for the structure. In short, it was a construction that never happened.
Natuklasan ng Ombudsman yung mga isinumiting final billing, certificate of completion at inspection reports ay palsipikado o hindi tumutugma sa aktwal na kalagayan ng proyekto. Maging mga video at larawan na hinarap ng respondent ay walang timestamp at hindi mabalidate na tumutukoy sa proyektong ito.
For President Marcos, such anomaly calls for criminal raps against Sarah Discaya, officials of the regional DPWH, as well as St. Timothy's Maria Roma Angeline Rimando. The charge: malversation through falsification and violation of Republic Act 1319 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Ayon sa kanilang finding, ang mga respondent na ito ay kumilos ng may manifest partiality, bad faith, o gross negligence. Nagdulot sila ng undue injury sa gobyerno at nagbigay ng unwarranted benefit sa kontraktor. At may pakikialam ang ilang private respondents sa nangyaring sabwatan. Ang malversation ay non-bailable. Mabigat ito dahil hindi nila mababayaran ang kanilang paglaya. Pag naisampa na ang mga kasong ito sa korte, ang susunod na hakbang ng judiciary ay ang paglabas ng arrest warrant para sa mga pinangalanang individual.
The Office of the Ombudsman's response to the President was swift. It immediately filed the case before the Digos City Regional Trial Court. Its recommendation: malversation without bail.
This means that if and when warrants of arrest are out from the court, the respondents will have to be detained pending trial. After a thorough investigation, reviewing voluminous documents, conducting field verification, and evaluating sworn statements from community witnesses, the Office of the Ombudsman has found probable cause to file criminal charges in connection with an alleged 96.5 million peso ghost infrastructure project in Davao Occidental.
Clavanos said they have found strong proof that there had been collusion among the soon-to-be respondents to pocket project funds.
There was no actual construction, yet respondents certified that the project was completed. They are found to have falsified accomplishment reports, issued fraudulent billing documents, and endorsed disbursement vouchers that triggered the release of the entire project cost.
The Ombudsman also imposed a 6-month preventive suspension against 8 officials of DPWH Davao Occidental, headed by District Engineer Rodrigo Larete and Assistant District Engineer Michael Awa. The Ombudsman is likewise planning to request a whole departure order against all implicated, including the Discayas. Investigation is also underway to determine if more people were involved in the ghost project. Prior to this, officials from DPWH Mimaropa have already been arrested in connection to a substandard road dike project in Oriental Mindoro worth 289.5 million pesos. President Marcos promises more people in jail over the multi-billion peso flood control fiasco.
Umpisa pa lang ito. Marami pa tayong ipapakulong at marami pang magpapasko sa kulungan.
Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.